Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'm back here today and I will try to review for you the DeLonghi Nespresso machine. DeLonghi Nespresso Espresso machine. So it's a really small compact coffee maker. It's actually 1 cup coffee maker that I found really easy to use. And it's really compact for your kitchen. If you have a small kitchen, it's perfect size. Has a small water reservoir, and let's show how it works. So of course you have to plug it in, and then you have to press these buttons. They have 2 buttons here on the top, the short and the long. So press any of them, and as you can see, it's blinking. That means it's warming up. Okay, so it's pretty quick. It's like a few seconds, and obviously mine is already used, but if it's your first use, you have to make sure you program your coffee machine how much you want to fill up the cup. I'll show you just in 1 second. Yeah. Okay, so it's warmed. Okay, so what you have to do is just press. If you want to try the long one, just press it and hold it. Make sure you hold it. Don't release. Yeah, so if I decide to make my cup to fill it up this much, so you just hold the button, don't release it, and in this way, next time when you make a coffee, when you make the coffee next time, that will be the perfect, like the size that you chose. Yeah. And this coffee machine uses the Nespresso pods. They look like this. They are different than the Keurig ones, and actually I found them really difficult in my store, in my area. So maybe the better option is to buy them online. What I got here, it's Starbucks Blonde by Nespresso. Yeah. So yeah, let me show you how it works. Just grab the capsule, drop it in there, close the lever, there you go, and just press the button. There you go. So as you can see, like I said, if you program it, that will be the perfect size, like the size that you chose. Also, you can reprogram if you want. So what you have to do, you do it again. Take another cup. Yeah, let's see. Just again, hold the button. Make sure you don't release it until the coffee is done. There you go. Now it's all the way up. And this way, the next cup that you make will be already filled up, if you want. Oh, no more water. Yeah, make sure you fill it up because the water reservoir is pretty small. It's just for a few cups. yeah, but kind of that's it. So make sure you press the button and hold it until you fill up your cup, and the next cup that you'll make will be exactly the size that you chose. And like I said, it's a pretty easy machine to use. It's really compact for your kitchen, and enjoy it. If you have it, enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.